The MacDonnell Ranges in Central Australia are a notable example of the Earth's geological processes at work. Starting as sediments in an ancient ocean, these ranges underwent a significant transformation during the Alice Springs Orogeny, a major mountain building event that involved a continent-to-continent collision between South Australia and the Northern Territory. Following this, erosion took over to shape and mould the landscape. In this video, we're going to look at the key stages in the evolution of the MacDonnell Ranges, showcasing the dynamic nature of the Earth's crust and the transformative power of geological events. Over 800 million years ago, the area known as the MacDonnell Ranges began its long geological journey. At this time, the region was part of a vast ancient ocean. The quiet depths of the ocean were the site of continuous sediment deposition, laying down the layers that would eventually be transformed into the mountain range we see today. Moving forward to between 400 and 300 million years ago, the geological activity beneath the future site of the MacDonnell Ranges intensified dramatically. This period marked the onset of the Alice Springs Orogeny, a significant mountain building phase. The Earth's tectonic plates, massive and constantly shifting, were in a state of convergence. This led to a direct collision between the land masses of what are now South Australia and the Northern Territory. The force of this continent-to-continent collision was immense, compressing and folding the ancient sedimentary rocks and pushing them upwards, creating the initial forms of the MacDonnell Ranges. This process marked a drastic transformation from a peaceful seabed to a landscape of rising peaks and deep valleys. At their peak, following this orogenic event, the MacDonnell Ranges were much taller than they are today. Their towering heights would have dominated the surrounding landscape. However, the exact height of the ranges at this time is difficult to ascertain due to the significant erosion that has taken place over the millennia. In the present day, the MacDonnell Ranges stand with peaks that average between 600 to 1500 metres in height. These current dimensions are reduced from their original stature, a result of ongoing and extensive erosion. Despite this reduction, the ranges remain a significant geographical and geological feature. They exhibit the clear impact of the forces that shape them, with visible folded rocks, fault lines, and valleys that serve as markers of their turbulent past. Each geological feature within the ranges tells a part of their long history. The MacDonnell Ranges, as they stand now, are not just a collection of mountains in Central Australia. They represent the aftermath of a massive geological collision between continents. They are a key chapter in the Earth's extensive geological story, showcasing the immense power of natural forces in sculpting the landscape. The ranges remind us of the ever-changing and dynamic nature of our planet, demonstrating how even the most ancient and seemingly permanent features of our world are subject to change and evolution over geological time. Thanks for watching.